Hello friends, welcome to the Dipesh Patni Education Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you one of the best trading strategy which is going to help you a lot in your trading career. Got it? See, right now I am in this trade. Okay, so there is a n number of things you can say that why I am in this trade, but for me it is only one single reason why I am on this trade. Got it? So that is a supply zone. So this is my supply zone. Okay, so this supply zone plays very crucial role in the trades. Wherever you go in your lifetime, like in your daily life also, if you go for the market, if you want to buy something, the product of that price is dependent on the supply and demand, right? It's a basic sense and the basic economics that the demand of the price goes high when there is a less supply. When there is a more supply, the demand of the price will decrease, right? So this is how the product will gain its value. In the similar way, in the stock market or the various trading instruments like Forex, crypto, commodity, or even take it option, futures, derivatives, whatever it is, every price had its own discounted level. Got it? So this discount level, if you're buying from discount level, that is called as a demand zone. If you are selling from that premium zone, it is called as a supply zone. Got it? So it's very simple. Just understand one thing. Supply is the zone or a demand is the zone where you are looking to buy and sell your orders. Got it? So what happens? The importance of the supply demand is very important because you need to understand what exactly the demand, right? So see, demand zone is the zone where the big institutional limit orders are pending. This is the reason we call it as a demand zone. Got it? And also, what is a supply zone? Supply zone is the zone where the big institutions ka limit orders are pending. This is the reason why the retail traders try to hunt a supply and demand concepts in the market. Right? So here in this trade, so why I choose this particular as a supply zone? Because you need to understand supply zone. When you identify the supply zone, you need to understand two things. One is where the market is heading. Second thing, you need to look for a FVG. What is FVG? FVG is a fair value gap, and also it can be called as an imbalance in the market. Got it? So what happens in the market whenever a big institutions or a big money flow in the market, there will be a sudden pump in the market, sudden pump in the price. Okay. So how do you identify those pumps? See, for an example, here there is a sudden pump in the market, right? In the bullish. So what happened? Whenever the big institutions comes into the market, they always leave the footprint. Okay. You need to understand one thing. How to identify the footprints are very crucial, but how to enter the market is very tricky, right? So this is the reason why we teach advanced supply and demand concepts in our academy. We not only guide you, we not only teach you, but also we will sit with you, we will analyze the market, and we will be guiding you way to enter, way to exit like a pro. And this course, like it is mainly meant for abroad people, like abroad students. We call it as a global course, and also Indian students, those who are interested, they also can enroll with us, but with of course, but with the guidelines, and of course we are not doing a live trading with you, but we will guide you how you can manage the trades. Got it? And moreover, this is the trade, like I already show you, this is the supply zone. Why it is a supply zone? Of course, see, there is a pump in the market downside, and also there is a FEG. Got it? Here we can see a FEG, okay, in this particular zone. So this is how you need to identify the supply and demand, and I also told you how to identify the demand and supply, and the things are going to be meant in the next long videos. So keep updated with us. I will be guiding you throughout the technical analysis with the SMC or whatever it is. Anything it is, just understand one thing. Supply demand is the zone where you need to understand the big institutional buying and selling happens. Got it? So let me show you some more examples. Okay. See, can I consider this as a demand zone? Yes, this is a demand zone. Why this is a demand zone? Of course, there is a price momentum. We got the momentum in the market, and also we have an FEG or an imbalance in the market, and we can accept a reversal from here. How? With the help of the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation, then you can enter the market. This is how the big players, they make money in the market. Got it? And we are retail traders, got it? We are all retail traders and we don't have much capital to trade in the market, right? So what we will do, we will be following the big institutional footprints. How you follow the big institutional footprints? With the help of the order block, and with the order block you will be deriving a supply and demand. Got it? So this is the same reason why I always tell you, always trade based on the supply demand, because I am the one who trade based on only pure supply and demand concept along with the market structure. Got it? And in the next upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how to draw a market structure and what are the values you need to see and where exactly you need to see to buy and where exactly you need to see for a sell. There are the particular zones. Okay. If you are a trader, you need to understand there are a particular zones. From there exactly the reversal will come in the market. Got it? So whether it might be in the discount zone, whether it might be in the premium zone. Got it? And see here, if you consider this is a demand zone, and of course we will be waiting for the price to reach here, and later we need to look for the price behavior. We are not just randomly entering as soon as the price touches to the demand or the supply zone. We will be waiting for a confirmation. Got it? What are the confirmation? See, confirmation might be a reversal patterns like inverted head and shoulder, like W pattern, like the flagpole pattern, whatever it is, and the cup holder pattern. See, you consider n number of patterns in the market, but there are reversal patterns where exactly you can look it on the supply or a demand. Got it? This is how you take a confirmation. And also if you combine with the market structure, the market structure shows you how exactly and how precisely the market is going to reverse. Because why? The market structure is a key. Got it? See, I am stressing more about the market structure. Why? Because for an example, take this pen. Pen has its own structure, right? If you consider this board, like this monitor, it has its own market structure. It has its own structure. Wherever you take, okay? Everything has its own structure. Got it? Even the similar way, the market has its own structure and it will follow it. Okay. And sometimes there will be an imbalance in the market structure and it will be balanced in the future. And we call it as a correction in the market. What is a correction? When there is an imbalance in the market structure. Okay. And always remember, there is an algo in the exchanges. What is the job of that algo? It has to match between the buyers and sellers. The main work of the algo is to match the buyers and the sellers. When the buyers and the sellers are order filled and the boom in the price. This is how the price is going to predict, and how you can predict the market, and also how you can predict the market with the help of the order filling method. Okay, what is the order filling method? Everything is covered under the smart money concept of Dipesh Patni Education Academy. Take a look of that and compare our course with other academy and understand why exactly we teach a smart money concepts and a lot of things. Okay, we not only cover this much, and also we will be teaching you n number of things like a market structure, liquidity. The liquidity is the key. Why the liquidity is the key? Because the market is moving because of the liquidity, right? The market is moving because of the liquidity. If there is no liquidity, then who is going to buy? Who is going to sell for you? For an example, if you want to buy something, means someone has to sell for you, right? If there is no one who is going to sell that product to you, then how are you going to buy? This is called the liquidity between the buyer and seller. Okay. If there is a n number of sellers who is giving you, if you want to buy something, but there are n number of sellers, but you have a multiple choice where you can look for a sellers who is providing you for a discounted price, right? You will choose one among the sellers, right? So this is the reason you need to choose the price while you entering the market. Many people, those who come into the market, whatever the experience they have, they don't know like how to predict the price in the discounted level. See, for an example, I already said you, whenever you go for the sellers, you will choose, right? So when you will choose who is giving you at a discounted price, okay, identify that discounted price and enter the market. In the similar way, in the stock market or wherever the trading instruments you trade, everything has its own discounted value. Okay. And also the textbook says that history repeats itself. The same setup which I shown you, it might be repeating after some time. Got it? And this is how you can understand the market. And also if I show some more examples, and see, this is our demand zone. Okay. If this demand zone, this is the big demand zone. This demand zone, I got it on the 4-hour time frame, and this is just a 1-minute time frame because we will be doing a top-down analysis, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, if the price reaches to our 4-hour demand zone, of course we will be looking for a reversal confirmation. Got it? If there is a reversal confirmation, then what exactly we'll be looking? We will be looking for an inverted head and shoulder, W pattern, cup holder pattern, and there is a lot of inverted patterns, right? I already said you. So you can look for that in this particular demand zone, and you can enter a trade and you can plan for the trade. Got it? And there are n number of examples. See, and why I choose this as a demand zone? It is a story of the 4-hour time frame, but this is a 1 minute time frame. Let's understand it on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. See, this is also our demand zone. Okay. This is also our demand zone. Why this is our demand zone? See, this is also a demand zone. Okay. You need to understand this demand zone. See how exactly it reversed from here, right? It reversed from here. Got it? So this is how you need to understand why, because see, it's a very simple. This is a demand zone. Of course, yeah, this is a demand zone, and also there is a FEG, right? Where is the FEG? FEG, there is an imbalance between the candles. So what is a FEG? What is the imbalance? So if you want to know detail about this and enroll with Dipesh Patni Education Academy, I am going to teach you what exactly the imbalance is. Okay, you will find lot of imbalance in the market, but you need to identify the valid imbalance, right? It makes sense. Got it? So this is how you make a valid imbalance and mark a order block. This order block is called as a demand zone, and whenever the market taps for the next time, we can enter a trade from here with the confirmation. Got it? So what is the confirmation? What is the confirmation you are seeing here? Of course you are seeing a W pattern, right? Of course you are seeing a W pattern. This is our confirmation. When the neckline breaks, then we can plan for the trade. Got it? This is how a W pattern looks. Got it? And this is how you can enter a trade with the help of the confirmation. So this, not only this, if you take n number of things, you will find the multiple supply and the demand. But which one you need to choose? How to enter the market? You need someone to guide for you, right? You can't just directly risk your money just because of you see the demand zone, just because of you see the supply zone. You can't engage in the trade because you need someone, right? So that zone might be not working for you, right? So you need to choose for a right order block, right supply demand, and along with that you need to choose a right mentor from a good academy, and that academy comes a Dipesh Patni Education Academy. In this academy I am going to teach you the exact concepts where you can implement these concepts on various instruments, like of course on crypto, Forex, and as well as in Indian markets, even in equities, cash market. Take any markets. Of course, it is going to work, whatever all the setups I am going to teach you, that is the pure based on the supply and demand. Got it? So if you want to know more about our concepts, DM us, I will get back to you and I will show you how really we are going to teach you. Thank you.